Hey guys, welcome to the new video on differentiation. In this video, we'll talk about how do we differentiate a function and how do we differentiate a function using Python. So far, we have learned how to evaluate limits for a point on a line. Now we are going to build on that knowledge and look at calculus techniques called differentiation. In differentiation, we use our knowledge of limits to calculate the derivative of a function in order to determine the rate of change at the individual point on its line. So here is a function and its graph. Now we know that we can find the slope of a section of a graph by choosing 2 points and creating a straight secant line between them. To calculate the slope of a secant line, we divide the difference in the function values at these 2 points x1 and x2 and the difference between the points x1 and x2. Since these 2 points x1 and x2 are very close to each other, we call them delta x or we can call them h. Since the value of h approaches to 0, we can put a limit on h as h approaches to 0 and evaluate this function. Our new function f dash x is the derivative of this function when the limit h tends to 0. We will substitute the value of x plus h into our main function and evaluate this function to get our final values. If you're watching this on YouTube, you must try the hands-on using the complementary code repository. The details of the same are in the video description. As we solve this function, we get our final values as the following. Now let's jump into our Jupyter notebook and see how do we do differentiation using SymPy libraries. I'll use the same code base that I have used before and I'll just change the limit function to a derivative function and we'll see how it evaluates our functions. I'll change the sin function to a x square plus x function and we'll find out the derivative of this function using the derivative library. The diff function provides me the derivative of the function. I can evaluate the output expression by substituting the value of x with any numerical value. We can also evaluate geometric functions. So let's try a cos function and find its derivative. Once we run this cell, we get the derivative of our functions. And since we have substituted the value of the functions, we'll get the output value also. The expression x square plus x evaluates to 2x plus 1 and the output is 7. Similarly for the geometric function. So guys, that was all about differentiation. We'll meet again in the next video.